Look, I got fucking patrol.
Everybody dies, don't see your ass real soon. To the mirror, hot sauce, so they suck it.
Now my juju ain't nothing to fuck with. Hi, hello, welcome, hi, how are you? I have some japchae, I think it's called, might be wrong. It's called japchae in the movie Parasite. It is the famous dish from Parasite, or ramdon. So that's what it looks like. Stop focusing on my face. I'm really trying to, you've seen it, you saw the little video, that's what it looks like. Anyway, ow, it's hot, fuck. In the film, it's like a famous dish where just shit goes down. If you haven't watched Parasite, you need to. We're going to talk about it in a minute. It's two different ramens put together, and then you do it with, like, in the film they do it with, like, what do you call it? Steak kind of thing. But I did it with just bulgogi, which I got from a H Mark. I'm going to try it. Hopefully it tastes good. Because it's made of this, there's this famous Korean dish called jjajangmyeon, which is a black bean noodle thing that they eat a lot in Korea, and when I had it in Korea I hated it. It was so nasty to me. It's like a love dish and I just didn't like it. It's very popular, and basically one of the ramens in here is that, so I'm hoping it doesn't taste too much like jjajangmyeon, but I think it might. Oh, that noise, do you hear that noise? Yeah. And then I have a little bit of kimchi because I eat kimchi with most meals now. I'm gonna try it now.
I didn't hear that. Please try that again.
Did I even summon you? Alexa's been giving me stress. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Mmm. Oh, that tastes so good. What? Hey, that's phenomenal. It's a bit cold. Mmm. Phenomenal. It's actually really good. I thought it was going to taste bad. I'm pretty sure the calories in this are mad, but you're not going to think about that right now. Mm. I'm gonna be mad full though, I think. Oh shit. I'm really fucking up my table. I have no tissue either. I didn't come prepared. It's very, it doesn't taste like jjajangmyeon, which I like. It's kind of spicy because of the other noodles, nogori. I didn't take a picture before. No, I've eaten it. Woo, my back. Oh, I'm just gonna slouch a bit. I feel like it looks much smaller on camera than it actually is. It's actually quite a big portion, I think. I don't know. People always say I don't eat. I do, I promise. I'm just not used to so many carbohydrates. I'm trying my hair back. My leggings are from ASOS. They make my arse look massive. Stay hydrated, kids. So, Parasite. Parasite. I'm not gonna spoil anything. Bitch. I watched it twice already. Second time around was still really good because I watched it with a couple of my friends, and it's just their reactions to just the madness that happens. It's mad. It's just mad. It's all mad. That's like the best description I have for the film. It is, because it came from Korean cinema, a lot of people are very quick to judge, mostly because it has subtitles. People can be very lazy when it comes to these type of films because they're like, I don't want to read or whatever. It's very thick, but it's really quite worth it. If you have not tried a foreign film before, this is a good one to start with because it's not only messed up and it's not really a horror. It's like, because when I heard Parasite, I was like, definitely a horror film. Then when you watch it, it's not even near that. It's a bit gory. That's probably the most that it relates to horror, but so yeah, it's a bit gory, but it's not, I wouldn't classify it as a horror film. I don't really know how to classify it. It's kind of funny in like a satirical way, and it's also messed up. Like, it has the elements of a horror film because you always think that something mad is going to happen, and it does, and escalates to this point for the stupidest reason. It's just, it just leaves you thinking a lot. One of my favorites, I think I watched it at the tail end of 2019, and of 2019 for me there weren't that many good films except obviously Joker, but Parasite is definitely up there. I'm a big fan of Korean anything. Just in general, I watch a lot of Korean dramas growing up, and so anything that they do successfully, I'm always going to be a frontline supporter. Why do people do mukbangs and talk at the same time? It's a skill. It was so good. But yeah, cinematic masterpiece. I don't, because it's hard to talk about when you haven't seen it. I don't want to ruin it for people that haven't seen it. So just go see it, please. It's just really one that is, it's just one to watch. It's weird and crazy, and it's all wild. It's just the way it escalates. It is mad. So yeah, apart from that, this is really good. If you're bothered to go to an Asian store, it's quite easy to find these two different ramens, and then you just need some beef. You can use fancy beef like they do in the film if you want. This is a lot, man. I watch a lot of mukbangers, like a lot, and they do all the eating sounds and stuff. I don't think I could ever do that, because it's a bit much for me. Got little pieces of like pork, I think. Okay. I think I'm gonna do more of these for sure, because I like watching them so much. I thought I'd enjoy filming them, and I've enjoyed it. I guess I like food because I like talking to myself, so this is a nice combination of the two. A lot of people aren't into this, but there's a big part of YouTube that watch a lot of mukbangers, and it's such a massive like industry now. It's like its own genre almost, which is a bit mad. Hey, it's been very good at using chopsticks. I've lost the skill. It's kimchi spicy. No! Keep dropping shit. That's it. Delightful. That was exquisite. Compliments to the chef, aka me. That was my version of ramdon or chapchuri or whatever you want to call it. Really good. I suggest you try it. Noodle packs are only like 89p. Then you can buy some beef if you want from like Lidl or cheap shop. Cut it up into cubes and put it in. Or you can do what I did. I bought like pre-seasoned bulgogi, which is like thin strips of beef. Added that in. Tasted phenomenal. I hope that you enjoyed the video. There'll be more of them. I'm going to do different types of stuff. Maybe have like topics for each one, because this was kind of like a tester kind of thing. I might have like topics and try and figure out how to eat and talk at the same time. Which is, I don't know how, a lot of mukbangers don't do that. They do more of this eating sounds and all the like ASMR stuff, but that's not what I think I'm going to do yet. I give ramdon, chachuri, whatever you want to call it, I give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. That's quite, I'm very picky about my noodles. That was really good. For someone that doesn't like jjajangmyeon, that was really fucking good. Would I eat again? Probs. I feel insanely bloated, but sated. And that's what matters. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe either here or here, wherever the fuck I decide to put it on one of these sides. I shall see you soon in my next video. Bye.